Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video you will see the explanation about volcanoes. Before that, please like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you. Volcanoes are majestic natural wonders that captivate our imagination and shape the landscapes around us. In this video, we will learn about what volcanoes are, the different types of volcanoes, the different types of eruptions they can have, materials released during volcanic eruptions, and how we can prepare for volcanic events. Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a horseshoe-shaped belt of intense volcanic activity and frequent earthquakes that encircles the edges of the Pacific Ocean. This region is home to approximately 75% of the world's active volcanoes and is caused by the movement and collision of tectonic plates. The Ring of Fire has a significant impact on Earth's surface and the lives of people living in its vicinity. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's crust through which molten rock, gas, and other materials are released from deep within the Earth. Volcanoes are formed when molten rock called magma rises to the surface. The magma can come from the Earth's mantle or from subduction zones where one tectonic plate slides beneath another. These are parts of a volcano. First, magma chamber. Second, ash cloud. Third, conduit. Fourth, sill. Fifth, crater. Sixth, cone. Seventh, lava. Magma chamber is a reservoir where magma is stored beneath the volcano. Ash cloud is mass of tiny volcanic rock fragments, dust, and gases that are released into the air. Conduit is a pipe-like structure that connects the magma chamber to the surface. Sill is flat rock formation that forms when molten magma cools and solidifies in a crack or fissure. Crater is the bowl-shaped depression at the top of the volcano. Cone is steep, conical-shaped hill or mountain formed by layers of volcanic material. Lava is molten rock that flows from a volcano during an eruption. Here are the types of volcanoes. Shield volcano. It is broad, gently sloping volcanoes with a shape resembling a warrior's shield. They are formed from layers of cooled lava. This volcano generally characterized by non-explosive, effusive eruptions with the outpouring of lava flows. For example, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Mount Etna in Italy. Cinder cone volcano. It is steep-sided, conical volcanoes formed by explosive eruptions of ash, cinders, and dust. This volcano explosive eruptions that eject fragments of lava and volcanic ash into the air. For example, Paricutin in Mexico, Sunset Crater in Arizona. The third type is composite cone volcano. It is tall and symmetrical volcanoes composed of layers of lava flows and volcanic ash. This volcano can have both explosive eruptions and effusive eruptions. For example, Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount St. Helens in the United States. The following are the types of volcano eruptions. First, Icelandic eruption. This volcanic eruptions produce runny lava that floods the Earth's surface through long cracks called fissures, which can be up to 15 miles long. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India and the Columbia Plateau in the western United States are both large lava plateaus. The Deccan Plateau covers 100,000 square miles, while the Columbia Plateau is the largest lava plateau in the world. Next, Hawaiian eruption. This volcanic eruptions characterized by numerous fissures result in large quantities of hot, thin, and runny lava that flows rapidly out of the main vent. For example, Kilauea, located on the Big Island of Hawaii. Third, Strombolian eruption. This short, explosive eruptions shoot thick and pasty lava, steam, and gas into the air, producing little to no lava. The resulting steep-sided cone is called a cinder cone. For example, named after the volcanic island of Stromboli near Italy, eruptions have been occurring almost continuously for centuries. Due to its frequent eruptions, Stromboli is often referred to as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean, as it erupts approximately every 20 minutes. Volcanian eruption. This Volcanian eruptions produce high dark clouds of steam, ash, and gas, which build a cauliflower-shaped head and a thinner, tree trunk-like base. After this, thick pasty lava is ejected. These eruptions usually build a steep-sided cone that is more symmetrical than a cinder cone. For example, Krakatoa in Indonesia, and Katla in Iceland. Next, stratovolcanoes eruption. The most common type of volcanic cone. First, the volcano will have an explosive eruption that ejects huge amounts of steam, gas, and ash, followed by the ejection of lava. They are created from a combination of eruptions forming layers of ash and lava. For example, Mt. Fuji in Japan and Mt. Etna in Sicily. The sixth one is Pelion eruption. Violent explosion resulting in the collapse of the volcano's summit and the release of a destructive pyroclastic flow. This flow is a rapid and destructive mixture of hot ash, gas, and rocks that annihilates everything in its path. For example, Mount Pelee in Martinique and Soufriere Hills in Montserrat. Last but not least is Plinian eruption. The most powerful eruption type, with a towering ash cloud reaching up to 50,000 feet, about 10 miles, in height, and extremely dangerous pyroclastic flows. For example, Mt. Vesuvius in Pompeii, and Mount St. Helens in United States. Now, let's see the materials volcano eruptions. They are lava, pyroclastic material, volcanic ash, and volcanic gases. Lava is molten rock that flows from a volcano during an eruption. Pyroclastic material is fragments of lava, ash, and rock ejected into the air during explosive eruptions. Volcanic ash is fine particles of fragmented volcanic rock that can be carried by wind over long distances. Volcanic gases are gases, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and others, released during eruptions. Preparing for volcano eruptions. Volcanic eruptions can be dangerous, but with proper preparation, we can stay safe. First, stay informed. Pay attention to official warnings, updates, and evacuation orders from local authorities. Second, emergency plan. Create a family emergency plan that includes meeting points, communication methods, and a designated emergency kit. Third, emergency kit. Prepare a kit with essential items like food, water, first aid supplies, flashlights, and batteries. Last, evacuation route. Familiarize yourself with evacuation routes and practice evacuation drills with your family. Well, viewers, that's all the explanation about volcanoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you.